Hi there guys, how's everybody doing? I'm just taking the back roads home today. So yeah. That's what I'm doing today. They're taking the little back roads right now. So yeah. Yeah, so I'm working on a little, what the hell can you call it? Sign for you for 9/11. In case of you guys know, 9/11/01 is a terrorist attack date when, New York had a raw planes crash into the, what is it called, can't think of the name, the tower, whatever the heck it is, so that's what I'm doing, there's a lot of cops out on this road today. But thank God I'm doing the speed limit. You know? I thought for a back road like this, through the back roads, I thought there would be less traffic, but, well, I guess I was wrong. So yeah. So yeah. Let's listen to some music, okay? Come here, baby. And there's like nobody behind me, there's nobody in front of me. But other than that, everybody's heading southwest. Pretty much south, pretty much. Yeah. I'm heading north. That's just over here. The only time I turn on my AC if I'm talking to you guys, but my coworker is stuffy, so you know. Play something. Big awareness. Here we go. Nothing on.
Today, Al's got a Saturday afternoon off. Bermuda hasn't had a nasty hurricane since Fabian in '03. But everybody's watching. Leslie and Newfoundland and Nova Scotia and Canada are watching too. If you want to keep tabs on what's happening in the weather, because there were some other storms in the Atlantic as well to keep an eye on. Fox News Channel 114, CNN 115, Headline News 116. You know all the news channels up the dial. But I want my new country. It's weekend. It's Gloriana, Sirius XM.
I dropped you off just a little after midnight. Sat in my car
The major story of anybody else don't want red light through here. You know? Where's all the 3 cops that saw somebody putting that truck over? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Crazy. That's why I stop at the other lights. Just at the cameras. There we go. Good night, baby, good night. Semi stuff. You believe me. Something to the window. I'm left alone. Oh. Guys, when I go up to the stop sign, guys, I'm turning off the camera, okay? Good night.
Toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Well, the plane touched down just about 3 o'clock, and the city's still on my mind. Bikinis and palm trees danced in my head. I was still in the baggage line. Concrete cars with their own prison bars, like this life I'm living in. But the plane brought me farther. I'm surrounded by water, and I'm not going back again. I got my toes in the water, ass in the sand. Not a worry in the world, a cold beer in my hand. Life is good today. Life is good today. Adios and bye.
Alright guys, I talked to y'all later, okay? I'm about to get up to the shop sign. Then once I turn, I don't wanna show you how I get home from here and stuff, okay? So I'll talk to you guys about, I'll be home about 15 minutes from here. But pretty much, I don't want to show you guys what I see there, because that's wrong for me to do. Oh, this video will be going on YouTube, so yeah, I talked to you later, bye.